Hi, these are Perfect Lips, and if you want to know how to do this look, just keep on watching. Hi guys, right now I'm going to be showing you some red lips. Perfect red lip. Just need more. I'm going to be taking pink lip gloss just to moisturize. There you have it.